Hey everyone, check out this very limited series of videos of poor boy sandwiches from Tennessee, Morgan County to be exact, and the city was Lansing with a C. There were 8 of us about 40 years ago, and we were having to make things stretch. These are very simple sandwiches, but they take me back to my youth and taste great. Check it out. Alright, well let's get this going. You guys should like this. It's going to be good. I'm going to use lard just like my parents and grandparents would, and we're also going to use it in a cast iron just like they did back in the hills over 40 years ago. Didn't use any oil, we used fat. Well, real fat I should say, animal fat. And here's the star of the show. You guys should like this. We put a dot in the middle of each one, and then we cut 3 slits. I think some people might do 4, but we do 3 before we put them in the pan. We'll let that pan get warmed up while we do this. Now, if you guys have never had these, you got to try them out, and you got to fry them good too. I don't want to give the wrong impression that we didn't have authentic, big Southern home-cooked meals. We had those too, but when you've got 8 kids, when you have 8 kids and they're growing and running around, we didn't have any video games back then. Everything was done outside. We were constantly hungry. That sound alone brings back memories. So anyways, you guys got to try this. This is not Spam, by the way. This is fried bologna. So the point of this limited series is to make about 4 or 5 different snacks exactly as we had them over 40 years ago in Tennessee. And obviously you could add tomato to this, you could add mayonnaise to it, you could add cheese to it. But I'm going to make these dishes exactly like I had them as a kid. And I encourage you to try it at least once this way. You could say you ate exactly like they did in Tennessee 40 years ago. We always had bread, we always had mustard, we always had bologna. Let's give it a shot. It takes you right back 40 years ago. Good stuff. Thanks for watching.